In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage snippets in HubSpot. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up time-saving snippets and organize them so they're easy to find and reuse across your HubSpot account. Let's start from your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side and find the main toolbar. Hover your mouse over the CRM icon there. When the menu expands, you'll see an option labeled Snippets. Go ahead and click that. This opens the central place where all of your snippets live. Inside the snippets page, you'll see a list of any existing snippets if you've created them before. To add a new one, look to the top right corner and click the Create Snippet button. A pop-up window will appear where you can set everything up. First, give your snippet an internal name. This is just for you and your team. So choose something clear and descriptive, like Intro Follow-up Email or Demo Scheduling Reply. A good internal name makes it much easier to find the snippet later. Next, move to the main text field. This is where you type the actual content of your snippet, the message you want to reuse. It could be a greeting, a follow-up template, or a standard answer to a frequently asked question. As you type, you'll notice a rich text toolbar at the bottom of the field. You can use this to format your snippet with bold, italics, or underline, or to clear any formatting if things get messy. If you click the More options in that toolbar, you'll see extra formatting tools like font style and share size, text color, highlight, bullet lists, and alignment, which help make your snippet easier to read. You can also insert links directly into your text, which is useful for adding web pages like help articles or booking links. There's also a personalize option, which lets you insert personalization tokens so parts of your snippet can automatically pull in things like a contact's name or company information. This is a powerful way to keep your messages personal while still saving time. Below the main text, you'll see the shortcut field. Here, type a short word or phrase that you'll use to quickly insert the snippet when you're writing emails or notes in HubSpot. Make it memorable and unique so it doesn't conflict with normal words you type. Once you're happy with the name, the content, the formatting, and the shortcut, click Save Snippet. Your new snippet is now added to your list and ready to use. Back on the main snippets page, you can manage any snippet you've created. When you select a snippet from the list, you'll see options appear at the top, including Move to Folder and Delete. Use Move to Folder to keep related snippets grouped together by topic, team, or use case, which helps keep things organized as your collection grows. If a snippet is no longer needed, you can choose Delete to remove it and keep your list clean. You can also manage each snippet directly from the list. If you hover your mouse over a snippet, an Actions button will appear. Click on that, and you'll see options such as Clone, Move, and Delete. Cloning is especially helpful when you want to create a variation of an existing snippet without starting from scratch. You can clone it, adjust the text or personalization, and then save it as a new snippet. The Move option here works the same way as Move to Folder, and Delete will remove that specific snippet, and that's it. You now know how to create, format, and personalize snippets in HubSpot, as well as how to organize, clone, move, and delete them, so your workspace stays efficient and easy to navigate.